Good afternoon, everybody. I'd like to welcome you to CNFT's afternoon wrap-up of today's E-mini trade. We made this trade recommendation at 6:45 Central this morning. You had plenty of time to put that trade on. We came in today, given the strength in the market, still on the buy side, but we thought we could buy it a little cheaper. We had a B in the overnight session, and we had two places to kind of get long. One of them was leaning against volume in this 8 to 10 area, and that would just let them get stops below the overnight session low. But the area we were most interested in getting long was right here, the bottom of the preceding day's value area. So it was okay. We could be sellers. The market was selling. It was coming in. There was some selling off the high, and as you can see, the market was moving lower here off of some sell pressure. And we made the observation that if the market did not take out 1912 on its first rotate up, we wanted to be short because we thought we could get long in the 1904, 1906 area. You can confirm these calls on our website by looking up the daily analysis, and you'll see where our buy and our sell recommendations were for the E-mini on May the 28th, getting started early in the session. I want to show you a screen that we work with quite a bit during the day. It's our auction screen. We've had this screen since 2006. It's really a great screen for observing the auction process and seeing when the market goes from buying to selling or selling to buying. And if you know what you want to do, you got an area where you want to be long or short at or from, then you can utilize the screen to greatly improve trade location and to give you the confidence to be a buyer. What we had when we first started out before the financial session opened up is that we had selling, and you can see it right here, red on red, and this is dark red. There's quite a bit of selling in that. So we're seeing a lot more selling than we are buying, and the market has moved down, and this price point right here just happened to be at 12. Then the market spilled and went down quite a bit, and you can see all of this red. There's a lot of unanswered selling all the way from 11 down to 8. So this 8 to 11 area had some pretty heavy-duty selling. Market finds some buying, and you can see that it goes to blue here in the 8 area. And this was a trade that we liked, and we're in at 6:45 in the morning, so we do trade before the day session opening. So this was our first trade to get long in that 8 to 10 area, and it produced a nice winning trade. Market did trade back up to 11.5, but the trade came right here. We'd identified this area. We said if the market did not trade above 11.75 or 1912, get short. And we thought we'd have a shot at being able to buy the 1905 area, plus or minus. So the market rallies up, and you can see nothing but red into that 1150 high. The market starts to sell, and it starts to sell, and we get a little bit of buying in the 5 area, 5 to 6. Then we get a lot of buying right down here in the 4.5 to 5.5 area. And as you can see, the market finds buyers, and it trades all the way up. We've got a pretty good ledge right here. Not a lot of selling right here in this area. There's a lot more buying, and then it trades up until we come back and they get stops above the day session's high at 11.5, and the market comes off. So we had some really good trading in here, and it was quite easy to see. And when you shorten the time frame on this chart, and we use 3 or 5 minute would be appropriate for this, you can come back and take a look and see what the action looked in that 1904.5, 1905 area. And there was quite a bit more buying there than it was selling. Right here you saw the buying first started coming in at 6. Then it makes a new low in this area, so we got low right there, just right at 05. The market trades up. You can see all of this pink. Now this is on 3 minutes. You don't get the volume that you do on a 30-minute chart. Market comes back down, and when it sits 450 right here, you can see that there just really is nothing but buying. It's just all blue. So these charts can really help give you the confidence that you need to take a trade. You're in an area where you wanted to be long. All of a sudden it starts to turn blue. And it's blue, even more blue, and it's still blue, and it's still blue, and it really helps can help your trading and help you put on a position. It just really gives you insights into the market that you're not going to get any other way. For familiarity, I'm going to show you our F4 screen, which is where we do execute. We do enter the markets. And we had a beautiful trade off that 11 area just after the day session opened to the short side. We also had a really good long. A long right here off this bar would have netted you 3 points. A short off the 11 area right here if you'd gotten short as late as 9, we traded down to 5, so there's plus 4 points for you. This is our buy area. This is that retest failure that we like. You would have been long in the 6 area, and the market trades up to 11 for plus 5. So you're looking at 7 plus 5. You're looking at 12 points off a pretty seeable and understandable trade setup. In fact, it's a trade setup that we teach regularly. We beat it into your brains. If you'd like more information about CN Futures Trading or CNFT, please go to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our site, you'll get an overview of the software, our educational packages, and our trading methodology. In addition to that, we offer you a free 5 days in our trading rooms where you can see how we handle the markets live in real time and how the adjustments are made. Please contact us at info@cnfuturestrading.com via email, or you may call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in the room for your free 5-day trial of our services and software. In the meantime, good trading.